Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear friends, we have been trading every day using a single indicator for the past 7+ years. Actually, we started using this method in 2011 in the month of May. Since then, we have been using the same setup with a different technical version, but the setup is same. Now to access this indicator, we are telling there should be 4 steps. You must follow 4 steps. The first step would be you will have to go to tradingview.com and create one free account. Then go to YouTube channel and type MST School of Trading and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the videos, watch the videos, then like the video and share to all your beloved ones. Also click on the bell icon. And third step would be you have to subscribe to our indicator so that our indicator will be added to your chart. And the fourth step would be after subscription to our indicator, go to this icon, indicators, metrics and strategies, open it and you will find the various options. Straight away go to the last options, that is the invite only scripts. There you would find our indicator added. Here you can see the green symbol. If it is in green, it means you are given access to access our indicator. If it is red, the indicator is added but access is denied. Okay, so now just give one click on it and automatically that indicator will be added to your chart. That is a default setting method. What we are supposed to do now? Okay, you don't have to do anything. You just wait for the market to either reach the upper zone or bottom zone. If the market is going to upper zone, take sell entry. If the market is coming down to lower zone, take buy entry. If SL hit, go for the reversal entry. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy unless SL hit. Okay. So now yesterday what happened in the market? Buy activated. I am keeping in default settings. You can see yourself. If you want me to do bar replay also, that also I can do, but to save the time I am not doing right now. So now it is buy activated. Since buy activated, what I am supposed to do? First of all, I have to reduce stop loss to tiny 2 stop loss and target also tiny 2. Once buy activated, I will remove the sell. I will enable the first buy targets. Also, I will enable the second sell targets because if SL hit, I have to go for the reversal entry. Clear? These are the initial steps I am supposed to do. Nothing else. See yesterday what happened. Yesterday perfectly buy activated. Here buy activated. First target hit here. Again buy activated. Target hit. Again buy activated. Target hit. Though the market was in a sideways, we were getting very good profit. And here we have got very good bearish R3C pattern. From here also we could have booked the profit. Okay, that you will be understanding when we teach you the price action method, or when you are practicing the R3C. We have given various price action setups in our indicator. So whenever you get time, you can practice everything. Okay, this is the small thing we are following, but we are getting consistent profit. Okay, hope the thing is very clear. And one more thing I have taught you, when the market is in a pure sell trend or buy trend, instead of going for a immediate buy entry, you can use our Kabaddi calculation. When we have to use the Kabaddi calculation based on the giant candle, that is a Bahubali candle. See here, this candle is very Bahubali candle, this candle is Bahubali candle, all this candle is Bahubali candle, even first candle itself a Bahubali candle, which indicates that market in a bearish force. So we have to let the people to come deeper into our zone. That is why we are using the Kabaddi calculation. Even if you don't use also, that is not a problem. Okay, here buy activated, target hit, again buy activated, target hit, again buy activated, target hit. So this is the perfection of our indicator. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel and watching our videos, please subscribe immediately and then watch our videos. Also subscribe to our indicators. If you have any doubts, please ask us. And we have decided to conduct advanced price action training courses and advanced option trading. Both are different from this indicator. This indicator exactly does opposite to what others think to do. Okay, So this is how our performance of the indicator is. Every day you will be getting a consistent profit, and we are releasing all the videos for the educational purpose. If you have any doubts, please ask us on the given number 9500009154. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.